Hey everyone. So as much as I love this Ghosttech Covert 4 case, because it offers 2 times military grade protection, it has a lifetime warranty, it's got a built-in kickstand. The only thing is, with the smoke colored cases, is that it doesn't show the full look or the original look of your phone, which in my case is the LG V60. And I was thinking of getting the clear version of this Ghosttech Covert 4, but then when I saw the pictures again, it didn't look like it was a crystal clear case. It was more like a frosted clear case. And man, it's kind of sucks that LG, as far as for their V60 line, kind of got shafted when it comes to case support for from certain manufacturers. Like some of my favorite cases, besides the Ghosttech, is like Rinky, Spigen, Ballistic. They all don't have their version or their cases for the V60 line. The only one of the only few clear cases that I can find on Amazon is this case right here from this company, Osophter. So you can get this on Amazon for $7.98. And at the time that I got it, it also had an additional 10% off coupon. So this is the one of the few crystal clear cases that I can find that were that was kind of a harder crystal clear, like a harder plastic polycarbonate, instead of like a soft TPU. I tend to prefer the more rugged or ruggedized or harder plastics versus the soft TPU because number one, they offer better protection, and number two, they shouldn't yellow out as fast as their TPU brethren. So this is the all it comes in. It comes in a plastic bag, and you see it says case accessories. So you can pause that and read it for yourself. This is what they have: jelly cases, screen protectors, and waterproof bags. Yeah, and over here it just says case, and then the name, the model of phone that you're getting it for or that it's for. And does it say the color? No. Yeah, it does. It says clear right there. So let's just unzip it from the bag and take a look at the case. Okay. So it's a bag within another bag. Okay. Actually, this feels like it's kind of soft TPU. So, like I said, there weren't too many that I can find online for the LG V60 as far as crystal clear cases go. And so this is just one of those plain crystal clear case. I thought it would be a harder case, but I guess this is also a soft TPU. But the thing with this is it has this see these micro dots right here? I don't know if you guys could see it. You can see these micro dots right here on the case. So right now, see, it doesn't look crystal clear, but once you put it on, it is. And these are really good for keeping the case from yellowing out too much, and also for on some of these crystal clear cases that don't have those micro dots right there, it they create like that oil spill look, like that bubbling or oil spill look on the back of the case, which this one won't. And it's got this extra side and bumper protection, which is one of the reasons why I chose it. So let's just put it on. First off, I think we should compare it to the Ghosttech, right? See, so the Ghosttech is kind of a stiffer plastic, but not too stiff. Anyways, okay, so here they are on their left side where the volume and Google Assistant buttons are. And you could see it seems like The Osophter, the crystal clear Osophter case, looks a little thinner, but that could be misleading. The best way to tell is when you turn them over from the bottom or the top, and then you can really tell how thick they are. And they seem about the same right there. Because when you look at them from the side, because sometimes the sides are tapered, it could, like, see here how the Ghosttech tapers this way, and so does the Osophter right here. It kind of is kind of misleading on the thickness of the cases. So they seem to be about even as far as thickness goes, but let's see how they are as far as protection goes. So now let's install the V60 into the Osophter crystal clear case. First of all, it's got a nice snug feel. Probably the same as the Ghosttech. There is still kind of a little loose on the sides here, so there is that possibility for lint to creep in inside of the case and then all the way around to the back, and then you'll see the lint and the smudges, see, and then it's going to get on your nerves. And also you got to wipe your phone down, which I didn't for this review, and so you can see that my fingerprints inside of the case. With the exception of some of this frosting right here, I think it's to add for better grip. They have like this little frosting on the sides right here where you would normally grab the phone. So to give it a better grip right here. Otherwise, you can also see your the nice gold aluminium frame of the V60. So starting with the front, you got plenty of lip around the screen to protect it from, from laying your phone flat on the screen or from any drops onto the screen. If your phone, actually falls straight flat, which they probably don't. And then you even have extra lip here on the corners on all sides, as you can see. Going around, see that you got extra bumper protection on all the corners. So let's go look at the back. The back, because of those bumpers, they also have extra lip around the back, around the corners, to protect the back of your case and your camera lens so they don't get scratched, as you can see right there. So that's really nice. And there's also a lot of extra lip around the camera lens right there. And so far I'm liking this case. It's the back is very sticky. It's got a very sticky and grippy feel. So the thing is, with those grippy, sticky backs, it's gonna attract a lot of oils and fingerprints, as you can just see what I just did there. This part right here that adds extra grip because it's frosted. It's not gonna add any kind of smudges, so that's pretty good. So let's check the power button. Oh wait, yeah, let's check the buttons first, and then we'll check the ports. So power button works well, nice and responsive. And let's unlock, check Google Assistant, and Google Assistant is working. Tell me a joke.
Why won't shrimps share their treasure? Because they're shellfish.
All right, thank you, Google. Anyways, let's check the volume buttons. So the buttons are good. They're nice and clicky, as you can hear. They are very clicky, very tactile, and very responsive, so that is good. So buttons are good to go. Now let's check the ports. So, okay, so moving on, checking the cutouts and checking out the ports. Your cutout for your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack with your 32-bit DAC is good to go as far as lining up properly. Your USB-C port is good to go. You can see the microphone hole right there. Your speaker hole cutout is good to go. And here on the side, you have that other microphone hole right there, good to go. Here up top is the other microphone. It's good to go. So I'm thinking LG's 4 microphones or quad microphones. The other microphone must be down here or up here somewhere in the front. But anyways, so all holes lined up. Let's check them for fit. Okay, first off, let's see how wireless charging works. Wireless charging works fine, as you can see. It is good to go. It works regardless of what orientation, at least mine did. Yeah, it is. As you can see right there, it's charging. See? Charging wirelessly right there. So it works in landscape and whatever portrait mode you desire. As you can see right there. Okay. So wireless charging works. Let's test out the USB-C port. This is one of the my thicker USB cords. It's for my fast charger. Some of the USB-C cords for your fast chargers, like your 45-watt fast chargers and everything, are pretty fat, but it fits and it's working. Fast charging, as you can see right there. So no issue with the wireless charging and USB-C charging. Okay, we have one more thing to check out, and that's this 3.5 connector. So here is my regular. This should fall into a regular 3.5 connector. This short 3.5 connector that I have for my portable amp DAC to a portable player. So it plugged in nice and smooth, and if it's really plugged in, see the hi-fi quad DAC will turn blue. That'll light up, as you can see. Let's try that again. See, now it turned off, and now it went back on. So that is good to go. Just out of curiosity, I'm going to see if this cord works. This is the one that didn't work last time with the Ghosttech, my Fostech 3.5 connector, because this one has notches here and on both, because they're supposed to lock the connector right here into place. When you put them in, you line up the notches and then turn it and it locks it. But both sides are like this with that notch right there. So let me see, out of curiosity, if it works, because sometimes if the cutout is big enough, it will work, and sometimes if it's not big enough, then it won't work if you push it in far enough. The thing is that with the Fostech connector, it's kind of short, but it somewhat works if you just wiggle it in there, as you can see. So you got to really push it in there, wiggle it in there, and it will work. As you can see, the hi-fi quad DAC logo is lit up blue. So yeah, it kind of works. It's pretty good. So that is that. Give you guys some glamour shots for the road. See, you can see the frame really nicely. All in all, highly recommended. Very good looking case. And it's one of the few crystal clear cases that are going to offer some pretty decent protection. It keeps the phone nice and slim, at least slim for a V60 phone, because the V60s are not known for being a slim phone because of the bigger 5,000 milliamp hour battery. But I would rather have a somewhat thicker phone with a bigger battery than a thin phone with a thin battery and it won't last you that long, or a thin phone with a small battery. So that is our look at this right there, Osophter for the LG V60 ThinQ. I think that's how LG wants you to say it, not ThinQ. or me, I say thank you. It's ThinQ, the LG V60 ThinQ. ThinQ is like their AI software or something like that, smart software. It's on their smart TVs also. So anyways, that is it. If you guys have found this video helpful and informative, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a blessed new year. See you later, everybody.